Believe it or not, we just cleared this the other day. Mom's trying to trudge through the deck. There's Kane up to his waist in new snow. Jasper can't make it up there. The old man's having trouble. Oh, wow. Sorry, just slipped. What'd he do?
He stepped down and then he's like,
He sank.
Blake's all covered in snow.
Come on, Justin.
he couldn't get his face out of it.
This was all clear 2 days ago.
Oh.
We cleared off the roof. We cleared off this. Kane's up to his waist.
No.
This is horrible.
Get back up. Come on. Good boy.
Gotta clear off the AC now.
Okay.
Oh, completely. Those are supposed to be stairs. And a table.
Good boy.
And the grill.
Look at the icicles.
Whew. This is, I don't even know what to say.
Look, and that's just